official DJ from New York City in Uganda, Africa, tonight. Now listen. If you love dancehall music, put your hands in the air. I want to start this show different. I want to do something different. I'm from New York City. Can I take you to New York City? Can I take you to New York City? Hold on. You don't want to go to New York. But do you want to go to Jamaica? Do you want to go to Jamaica? Let me take you to Jamaica right now. We're going to start it like this. Do you remember? That is nothing different. That is nothing different. Sing, let's go. If you remember, sing, step on up. Jamaica. Put your hands in the air. Put your hands up. Hands up. If you are not afraid of anybody in here tonight, put your hands in the air. If you are not afraid of anybody in here tonight, put your hands in the air. Let me tell you this. Nobody in here.